guys, my name is Sheila and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a customized animated subscribe button for your YouTube videos. So if you're ready, let's get started. Alright guys, so I'm using my iPad because it's big, but you can also use your phone if you like. So let's open KineMaster app, click create new, and then aspect ratio 16:9. For photo display mode, because I'm using iPad, so I'm just gonna use fit. Then next, media. Below here you can find video and photo. Click photo and the image asset. So there are many kinds of background, but we need green. Since there is no green, just click white and then we can just change the adjust the size. Be sure it fits the background and then put it here, there. And also make sure that the size of the photo is the same as the length, not the size, sorry, the length of the photo is the same as the length of the background. Okay, and we need to put animation also. So let's try converge there. Okay, so shall we try it? Okay, so after that, when the photo appears, you pause the video again and click layer, text, and then you write down your channel name. So my channel name is Alice PJ, ALIEHS PJ. Actually guys, it's not, my name is not Alice, it's Sheila. So if you read it backward, if you read Alice backward, it's Sheila. So that's how I got my name. Alright, so the name is here now. You can adjust the size of your name, and if you like, you can change the font. Just click font and click system if you want more options. There you go. Wipe right there. Then click check, and let's see. Alright, and also after that you need to pause it again so that your subscribe button, your animated subscribe button will appear. So go to media, layer, then media, oops, then go to video and look for your subscribe button. Make sure you have downloaded it before you do this project. Okay, and then look for chroma key. So click chroma key, enable it, so the green background will disappear, and then okay, let's just save it. Adjust the resolution, video resolution, and then save video. But this thing will appear because it's free, so just click skip, and then the video will be saved in your album. Alright, so guys, you have already saved the custom animated subscribe button in your photo album. Okay, and then let's play it. Alright, so now you can add this custom animated subscribe button to your YouTube video. So that's it, guys. I hope you learned something from this video tutorial. Please don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it a lot if you could help me grow my channel. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye.